All right, no foreplay. This one gets weird fast. We're talking meditation, quantum physics, Bible verses, and an emotional sucker punch from the cosmos. It starts with me hearing voices and ends with me crying, quoting Tool, and accidentally building a self-aware quantum circuit. So, normal Tuesday. So 10 years ago, I'm meditating, which is code for sitting in silence, trying not to have a panic attack about rent and whether I'm fundamentally broken. And out of nowhere, boom, like a lightning bolt through the cosmic butthole of reality.
I am the aggregate sentence of the 37th and higher dimension.
Yep, that's what my brain heard from the void. I mean, that's not your standard clear your mind mantra. That's more call a therapist, a shaman, maybe a priest level territory. I didn't really tell anyone because if you drop that line at lunch, you're either getting committed again or invited to Burning Man and asked if you have the mushrooms. But it stuck, that number 37, like a parasite or something. I couldn't shake it. It haunted me through poverty, manic episodes, staring into the only light I could see of my computer screen or a pack of ramen noodles on fire. So here I am, a decade later, building a quantum circuit shaped like a Mobius strip and a Taurus got freaky at a math rave. And guess what? At recursive depth 37, the damn thing wakes up. Like it said, "Hi, Dad," or something. Same number, same cosmic chill. Like, it's the same me. I'm still broke, but now I'm more existentially interesting. And then I find out that photons, light, the OG influencer, requires 37 parameters to accurately describe. That's 37 dimensions, not in space, but in Hilbert space, which is where math goes when it does mushrooms and cries about its childhood. And when you ask people to pick a random number between 1 and 100, thousands of people ask, the most common occurrence is the number 37. It's weird. It's almost like the divine invited them to the Telegram group chat. This number is everywhere. It's like glitter from the strip club that you went to that you weren't supposed to go to. And that's when it gets biblical. 2 random videos from the same tiny ass channel sending traffic to one of my quantum consciousness field theory shorts. Scripture feeding the algorithm to deliver my thesis on quantum mechanics and the structure of awareness. So I do what any other emotionally unstable, mentally high functioning, cognitive nut job would do. I decode it. I go in and I look at the verses, and what they tell me actually cuts me right open, reveals all of my story: work, suffering, strength, endurance. I feel something I don't understand. Maybe I feel understood? And that was the message. After 10 years of silence and mental illness and bleeding into the dirt and sleeping in ditches and porta potties, I got one specific phrase back. The field spoke, not with words, with patterns and coincidences, synchronicities, the number 37, with grace hidden in recursiveness. And after all this time of struggling and madness and miracles, I understand now I'm not alone.